Welcome to the Nomad Life Success Podcast, episode 128. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, we're tackling the Nomad Health and Docs Kit, Prove Fitness, Telemedicine, and Anti-Aging Care for Long Stays, so you can build real freedom without sacrificing your health and energy. Imagine landing your dream 3-month remote stay, wallet and plane ticket ready, then being told you can't extend because local authorities need proof of an up-to-date vaccine and a medication record you don't have. Your flight is booked, your client deadlines are real, and suddenly you're scrambling for immunization records at 2 a.m. while your energy tank hits empty. That scenario has derailed more long-term stays than passport issues ever will, and it drains income, momentum, and your body's resilience. Root cause: why this happens. Nomads plan visas and income, but they underinvest in portable medical readiness. Records are scattered: emails, clinic portals, and old vaccination cards stuffed in a backpack. Telemedicine is fragmented: different providers, different records, interrupted prescriptions. And anti-aging or energy routines that rely on regular labs or refills fall apart when access to a trusted clinician vanishes. The result? Preventable friction that cost weeks and hundreds, sometimes thousands, in lost productivity. Let's fix that with a compact evidence-first kit. Blueprint Overview: a simple 3-step system you can finish in a weekend. Step 1. Build a 1-page medical dossier. Step 2. Assemble a telemedicine stack for continuity of care. Step 3. Put together a portable anti-aging and energy protocol that travels with you. I'll walk through each step with concrete fields, formats, and storage tips. Step 1. The 1-page medical dossier. This is the single-page consulates and clinics will open first. Start with a header: your full name, passport number, last 4 digits only, primary emergency contact, name and relationship, and a note listing your primary care MD with contact method. Then the medical essentials: current vaccines with exact dates and issuing clinic, active prescriptions with generic names, dosages, and start dates, and a short list of chronic conditions or allergies. End with a 2-line notarized summary from your primary clinician stating, "This patient is under my care, currently on these medications, and is fit for travel as of date." Carry both a notarized signed PDF and a single printed copy. Keep entries concise. Clinicians and visa officers scan for dates and signatures, not essays.
Quick compliance note: notarized summaries matter because local clinics and immigration officers look for an authoritative source. When possible, get a clinician to include the reason or purpose briefly. For example, documented vaccination history and maintenance medications, and use official clinic letterhead. That small formality reduces questions and speeds processing.
Step 2. The telemedicine stack. Build redundancy. Start with encrypted EMR access. Request a consolidated PDF export from your primary clinic and any specialists, then upload to at least 2 secure services: an encrypted cloud with 2-factor authentication and an offline encrypted PDF on a USB or secure phone vault. Add a 24/7 Teledoc subscription that supports international prescriptions and has an accessible pharmacy network. Next, map 3 local clinics for your main destinations ahead of travel, with addresses, English language availability, and average wait times if possible. Finally, prepare a 2-line medical phrase cheat sheet in the local language for urgent symptoms, but rely on telemedicine for full notes.
And a legal tip: maintain copies of any prescriptions with clear indication of the prescribing clinician, date, and diagnosis code if available. In several visa interactions I've seen, a documented prescription plus the notarized dossier was enough to demonstrate continuity of care without invasive retesting.
Step 3. Portable anti-aging and energy protocol. Focus on what's travel safe and evidence focused. Pack a travel supplement kit with sealed bottles of basics you regularly use: vitamin D, a trusted multivitamin, omega-3s, and a sleep aid you already tolerate. Include clear labeling and a 1-line clinician note that these are maintenance supplements. For injectables or infusions commonly used in anti-aging, prioritize clinic-based alternatives like short-course IV nutrient clinics in major cities and plan appointments in advance. Avoid trying to self-administer outside clinical oversight. Add a recovery checklist: bedtime routine, light exposure plan for jet lag, hydration goals, and a brief resistance routine you can do in a hotel room. These preserve energy and make medical reviews cleaner because you can show continuity in labs and habits. Supplement/course tie-in. Value First Guidance. A lightweight Telemed subscription plus a traveler supplement pack preserves routines and creates documents clinicians will sign. The non-promotional checklist I recommend: 1. An international Telemed plan that provides visit notes. 2. Clinician-signed medication lists and supplement confirmations. 3. Printed, notarized dossier. When clinicians can see evidence of ongoing care and a Telemed relationship, they're far more likely to provide quick certificates or notes that immigration officers accept. This is about creating credible continuity, not gaming the system. Always consult your clinician for personalized medical advice. Real example and the mistake to avoid. A traveler I worked with lost 4 weeks waiting for antibiotic proof when he had a dental infection. He relied on a single clinic visit where the medication name was handwritten and illegible, and he didn't have a clinician-signed summary. Local officials requested clearer documentation, and by the time he produced a scanned receipt, it hadn't listed the exact drug or start date. The correction that fixed it fast was simple. He contacted his prescribing clinic, requested a typed prescription export on letterhead, and had his telemedicine provider add a short attestation to the record. That 2-document combo, typed prescription plus clinician attestation, turned an ambiguous file into an accepted record overnight. The takeaway: legible, signed, dated documentation beats convenience every time. Immediate action. Your weekend build plan. Day 1 morning, request PDF exports from your primary clinic and any specialists. Day 1 afternoon, draft the 1-page medical dossier and send for clinician review and notarization. Day 2 morning, subscribe to a vetted Telemed service with international notes and set up 2FA on your encrypted cloud. Day 2 afternoon, create your travel supplement pack with labeled bottles, scan all documents, store encrypted copies, and print 1 hard copy for your carry-on. Message your most recent prescriber with a clear request. Please provide a signed summary stating current meds and fitness for travel. Use the template on nomadlifesuccess.com/kit to format the dossier so it reads clearly to clinicians and consulate staff.
A final quick compliance reminder. When you notarize or store health records, keep only the minimum necessary details in public-facing copies. For visa interactions, dates, vaccine names, and signatures matter most. Avoid carrying full medical histories in unsecured places. Encryption and a printed copy are your best mix of security and accessibility.
Recap. Build your 1-page medical dossier. Assemble a redundant telemedicine stack, and pack a portable anti-aging and energy protocol. Put this together this weekend, and you'll cut the most common health-related friction out of long stays. Freedom isn't worth it if you're burned out. Visit nomadlifesuccess.com/kit to download the Health and Docs Kit checklist, an encrypted dossier template, and a curated 14-day telemedicine trial for travelers. That's your blueprint for today. Small, consistent actions create massive freedom. Thanks for listening. If this episode helped you, take 5 minutes tonight to start your dossier. It compounds faster than you think. Subscribe for daily episodes that help you escape burnout, build sustainable income, and optimize your body while living free. Remember my line: optimize your body, upgrade your income. See you tomorrow.